Okay, so we get ready for that pass from the Evo Team Fury TT. Let's see how much.
That was a harder launch by King Bill. Let's see King Bill. That was a harder launch by King Bill. It's traveling pretty nice. It's traveling. It's a 9.92. 9.912.
To be in the pit area. So if you do not have a map,
let's see Blue Boy. Let's see for Blue Boy. 11.1.
Yeah, by the car fan. I be hotel on the car. I hotel. Let's see how you crash. And you're in good. Look. Back up. Why you went up? Boy, let's see. One thing.
Remember, today is test and tune. Today is a testing day. Tomorrow is racing. So all testing is. I'm not saying who 207 is out for, but 207 is here. Pops and bands, let's see.
I don't want nobody.
And now teaser.
When they man I come with them ones, I fucking walking. Got me tired, fucking turn and put up my contract. What they want? They can tell me go back so, but I live man I couldn't nothing. Come like you go now for fucking. Go out so
Track is gripping. Well prepared by Moose Factory.
right in, we walk in. We walk in.
Let's see the Q60. 14 point. So listen, we're going to line up a GTR 35 along with Ryan with his Subaru, built by Airmore Performance. So all the Nissan guys, let's see. All the Nissan guys. All right, let me tell you the time, 11.8 for the Skyline and 10.79. We are staging the Ferrari F12. Let's see. 11.7. 11.7 clean shifts. Now we have the Porsche GT. So Skyline GTR did at 11.8. Then we got the Ferrari 11.7. Let's see the Porsche. Power in the engine, boy. 11.3. Followed by the SR20. Out of Trinidad and Tobago. So Grenada. So let's represent for 473 right now. Up next, Joshua Lewis. And the tension is on. Anyone is sweating? He's straight. And let's see 8.7. So are you ready for party time racing? Party time racing by the Bissessors. The first pass, distance 2. Let's slip on the line. Let's see. 8.4. On the left lane, Trinidad, right lane. Yeah, Grenada, not sure this unfortunate. So we have Keys here with his Honda Civic. This guy is out for champ today. He said it, he's out for champ. Let's see the time. 9.15. That's ever performance. Let's see Ryan. 10.4. 10.43. You would know this guy. His name is Kurt Knight. If you used to come across when you were young, little boy, you never had no car, this was the guy before you had anything. And trust me. And he's going to make a pass with his driver after. So the driver going to do a pass after. Everything on this car is hand control. One thing I must say, Kurt did well. The journey for this car, for him to do this on this track, is a long process. On the right lane, show it. Left lane, fella. And fella, go on, boy.
But the lights in the center are supposed to be on though. What light? They are two street lights there. They're supposed to be on. Yep.
Yeah. So that's Jeremy giving Kurt Knights a car. A little pull. Let's see. Next qualifier.
Clear the return lane. Clear the
gravel and concrete. We have a few other massive sponsors. Right, so yes guys, so this is the end segment of our